हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट टाइम पर हमने पढ़ा था इक्विलिब्रियम ऑफ फ्लोटिंग बॉडीज़। और उसमें हमने देखा था कि जब बॉडी फ्लोट करती है तो किस तरह से वो उसमें फोर्सेस का बैलेंस होता है। इफ़ उसमें हम कुछ और पॉइंट्स ऐड करेंगे जो स्पेशल पॉइंट्स हैं, पॉइंट्स टू बी रिमेंबर। When ice block is floating in water in a vessel, then vessel of water in the, हम देखें कि कोई किसी पॉट में यदि हमने this is water and some ice blocks are floating. After melting the ice blocks completely, the level of water in the vessel is the level of water remains the same after melting the ice cubes, ice blocks. हम ये देखें कि यदि यहाँ पर इसका जो लेवल है वो मान लिया कि इट इज़ 4 सेंटीमीटर। आफ्टर मेल्टिंग द आइस ब्लॉक्स completely, the level of water remains the same again, 4 centimeter. It means there is no change in the level of water. Level of water after melting the ice blocks. Next, second point is, if density of liquid is greater than that of water, this is a liquid which has the density greater than the density of water. Raw liquid is greater than the raw water. We can say rho L is greater than raw water. तो लिक्विड की डेंसिटी यदि वाटर से ज़्यादा है एंड आइस क्यूब्स, then after melting the ice cubes, here again the level of liquid is let 5 centimeter high. Then after melting the ice cubes, the level of liquid plus water gets increases like 5.5 centimeter कुछ भी. For example, after melting the ice cubes, level of liquid plus water will rise, gets increases. यदि किसी लिक्विड में हमने आइस क्यूब्स डाले हुए हैं एंड डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड इज ग्रेटर देन द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर, देन आफ्टर मेल्टिंग द आइस क्यूब्स कंप्लीटली, द लेवल ऑफ वाटर प्लस लिक्विड विल इंक्रीज. क्यों इंक्रीज होता है कि जब आइस क्यूब उसमें फ्लोट कर रहे होते हैं तो आइस क्यूब जो अपने वेट के बराबर लिक्विड को डिस्प्लेस कर रहे हैं, that quantity of liquid will be small because की density is high. Density of liquid is high, then the quantity of liquid which is equal to the weight of the ice cubes is small in comparison to after melting the ice cubes. because की ice water की density कम है तो जब ice cube melt होंगे तो ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम देंगे वो उसमें. Then volume of the melted ice plus liquid will be rise. Next, in third part, if density of liquid is less than the density of water, again 5 centimeter high level of liquid, the density of liquid, rho of liquid less than the rho of water. We can write L liquid less than L water. In this case, after melting the ice cubes, the level of liquid plus water will decrease. It may be 4.75 something centimeter. For example, it is not exactly explained. It is example. To here, after melting the ice, level of water plus liquid gets decrease बिकॉज की डेंसिटी कम है लिक्विड की, और जब आइस क्यूब फ्लोट कर रहे होते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम डिस्प्लेस करते हैं लिक्विड का, और इसका जो वॉल्यूम है जब वो मेल्ट होगा तो कम वॉल्यूम वो देगा बिकॉज की डेंसिटी इज लेस, डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड इज लेस इन कंपेरिजन टू वाटर. तो जब फ्लोटिंग कंडीशन में वो बैलेंस करता है डिस्प्लेस लिक्विड, balances the weight of the ice, then quantity of liquid remains less after melting the ice cubes, and after melting the ice cubes, water quantity should be greater. And in the fourth condition, when rho L is equal to rho water, it means density of liquid will be equal to density of water. Then after melting the ice cubes, the level of liquid plus water remains the same. If density of liquid will be equal to the density of water, then after melting the ice cubes completely, the level of liquid plus water remains the same. It will remain unchanged. Now this is question. A body float with 1/3 of its volume outside, 1/3 of its volume outside water, and 3/4 of its volume outside liquid. Then density of liquid is, then find the density of liquid. Body floats 1/3 of its volume outside in water. When it is floating in water, 1/3 remain outside. It means 2/3 of its volume remains inside. Let V is the volume of the body. Let V is the volume of the body, and rho is the density. The weight of the body will be equal to the weight of displaced water. It is equal to 2/3 volume of the displaced water is 2/3 V into density of water is rho W and G. It is the weight of the body. Mark 1. 3/4 of its volume remain outside the liquid. It means 1/4 part of volume remains inside. So again, the weight of the body will be equal to weight of displaced liquid, that will be equal to 1/4 V into density of liquid into G. Now from first and second, both are the weights of the body. Then equalize these two. 2/3 V into rho water. Rho water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, and G will be equal to 1/4 of V into rho liquid into G. So we can write G, cancel G by G here, and V by V again. Then rho L will be equal to 8/3 gram per centimeter cube, because we know that rho water is equal to 1 gram per centimeter cube. Now this chapter is over.